Hey guys! In today's cooking tutorial, we'd like you to listen out for all the verbs I mentioned in the preparation steps of preparing this meal. Thank you! That's it, let's get started. We'll need a pot, sieve, fish sauce, sugar, sausages, and curry-flavored Maggi packs. First, slice thinly any desired number of sausages into small equal pieces and set aside. Then, fill at least half the pot with tap water and set it on the stove. Turn on the gas on high heat. After doing so, add the raw Maggi noodles in one by one, slowly and carefully. Try not to waste anything either. In the meantime, add the Maggi packet seasonings into a bowl to make the kerabu seasoning for the noodles. After that, check on the noodles in the pot which have already been boiled and stir with a fork to ensure the noodles are thoroughly cooked with an even texture. Back to the paste. Add a tablespoonful of lime juice, fish sauce, 2 tablespoonfuls of sugar, and some water from the boiled Maggi noodles. Now, mix the mixture until an even consistency is reached. Next, remove the boiled noodles from the pot into the bowl with the kerabu paste we made earlier. And then, boil the sausages with the used water. And when it comes to a boil, you can add anything extra you like. In this case, we decided to add frozen mixed vegetables. The cold from the frozen vegetables should make the temperature go down for a bit, so wait for the water to achieve its boiling point once again. Turn off the heat and after making sure that the food is evenly boiled, use the sieve to sieve out the boiled water and place the mix of sausages and vegetables into a separate bowl. In the process, tap water can be used to cool down the piping hot boiled sausages and vegetables. Here comes the fun part. Transfer the boiled vegetables and sliced sausage pieces, the noodles, and the sauce together into a clean pot. Now, try not to miss out on the left out paste from the bowl and salvage whatever paste you are able to. All that's left to do is to mix it all in together and make sure the paste gets evenly distributed in the noodle pot. And there we go, a nice bowl of kerabu Maggi. But how does it taste? Great! Thank you for watching. So, how many verbs did you manage to identify? Type them down in the comments below. To challenge yourself further, why don't you try stating the synonyms of the verbs we've used? That will definitely help you improve your knowledge and your understanding of the English language, don't you think? Alright then, have a great day.
I'm a bad cancel like this.